Hello kids. For your reading activity independent today, you're going to click into the Epic Library. You are going to select our class just like this. You are going to go to the search box. After you click into your student account, go to the search box and you're going to type in Martin Luther, and now you'll see that some options come up for you right here. So click one here, it's Martin Luther King Jr. and then you're going to click on this read to me button, okay? And your job is to choose one of the stories that look interesting to you and have it read to you. Have it read to you. Okay, so you're listening to the story. So for example, if you choose this one, you go down to this button here and you click play, and it will read the book to you. Finish the book. After you finish the book, go into the reading folder. In the reading folder for the week, you'll see an assignment that is a discussion. Friday reading 2, what boundaries did Martin Luther King Jr. want to disappear? Okay, so you click in here and you can see I've got audio of this after listening to one of the Martin Luther King Jr. books in the Epic Library. Post an answer to this question. What boundaries did Martin Luther King Jr. want to disappear? And so you can type in the box how you think you could best answer that question. And there's more than one boundary if you can identify them, but there are definitely some very important boundaries that were unfair that that Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. fought to erase and get rid of in society, and led people to come together and try to get some of these unfair rules and laws and things that were happening in society to stop happening. All right, good luck, have fun, enjoy the story. I'm looking forward to seeing your thoughts and opinions in the discussion post.